Hi everyone, today I'm excited to show you how to convert a simple Excel file into this dynamic and interactive product dashboard using Power BI. Let's get started. This dashboard provides quick insights into key product KPIs, including sales, orders, customers, and returns. It offers clear, interactive visuals on the regional sales, top customers, product category breakdown, and monthly trends. Users can extract powerful analytics and drill down at various levels, from city to customer, category, and even individual products. Let me quickly run through the dashboard with you. At the top, you will notice that the Fiscal Year View toggle button is already turned on. You can select the desired fiscal year from the drop-down list next to it, and the dashboard will update accordingly. Right away, you will see 4 KPIs displaying total sales, orders, customers, and returns, along with their variance against the prior period. This gives you a quick snapshot of your key metrics. Below the KPIs, we have a map showing the regional sales by cities. The size of the bubbles represents the number of orders in each city. Clicking on any city will refresh the dashboard to show detailed information for that city. To the right of the map, there's a horizontal chart highlighting the top 10 customers by sales. You can click on any customer to drill down and view their specific data. Next to the top customer chart, we have a donut chart showing the orders by product categories. Similarly, clicking on a category will refresh the dashboard to display related information. At the bottom left, there's a monthly trend chart. You can use the drop-down list to choose whether you want to display the sales, orders, or returns trends over time. Beside the trend chart, we have a detailed table showing individual product sales, profit, orders, and returns. Clicking on any product in this table will refresh the entire dashboard to focus on that product. This is particularly useful for extracting quick insights for any particular product. Finally, if you want to view data from the start of time, you can turn off the FY view by clicking on the toggle button at the top. This will display all the data from the beginning up to the latest available data, giving you a comprehensive view of your product's performance, without having to manually extract and combine different years. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, let's turn this dashboard into your own in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Download the template. Click the link in the description to download the Power BI template and the Excel dataset. No sign-up required, it's completely free. The first file is the Power BI file for the dashboard. The second file is the Excel file that contains the dataset. After downloading, extract them from the zip file as shown, and we are done with step 1. Step 2. Replace the dataset with your own data. Before diving into the dataset, let me cover the high-level overview of the data concept. For this dashboard, it is made up of one fact table and several dimension tables. The fact table or main data table contains order details, such as the order number, order date, customer, country, product, quantity, price, discount, and more. This table holds the main data required for the product analytics. The dimension tables provide additional information that can allow the data to be diced and sliced. For this dataset, we have the company table, linked using company ID, the city table linked using the city code, and the product table linked using product ID. Additionally, there's a category table to add another layer of information. As this is a sample dataset, I have only added the minimal level of info required for these dimension tables. You can add more columns to these tables according to your own requirements. Alright, let's open the Excel file and update it according to your organization's data structure. This includes setting up the fiscal years and mapping your data fields correctly. The first worksheet, Parameters, assists with the fiscal year setup. You just need to select the start of your reporting period from the drop-down list. The file will automatically populate the fiscal end month below. The end month number highlighted in green is required to update the BI file later. The next worksheet, Orders, contains the orders data. It includes order number, order date, company ID, country ID, product ID, quantity purchased, unit price, discount, total sales amount less discount, total cost, profit, and whether the order is returned. The next few worksheets are dimension tables. The first worksheet is company, which has the company ID, company name, contact person, and address. Replace this data with your own information. You can also add on more columns if required. The next worksheet is city, showing the city code and city name. Update these data according to your organization's regional data. If some rows are not relevant, you can remove them. For example, if you only need 5 rows, you can delete the rest, or you can add more rows. The next 2 worksheets are category and product. Update them according to your own product information. For category, you only need to provide the product categories for your organization. You may add more columns if you have additional info to tag for category. For product worksheet, this table provides the product data, such as product ID, product name, description, category ID, department, cost, and price. Replace this data with your own, and you can add more columns if required. The next worksheet, selection, is used for the drop-down list for the trend chart. You do not need to update this worksheet. With this, we are done with the Excel file. Finally, step 3, load your data to the BI template to reflect your changes. Let's open the BI file now. For those who do not have Power BI Desktop yet, you can download it for free from the Microsoft website. I have included the link in the description. In Power BI, click on the Transform Data button to enter the query view. To update the data source setting, click on Data Source Settings button at the top. Select the file shown and click on Change Source. Now click on Browse and navigate to the folder where you saved your dataset. The BI file will automatically replace all the data with the new file. While still in the query view, update the reporting period. Click on Dim Date on the left side of the screen. Then under the applied steps on the right side, click on fiscal year and month. You will see 3, as this template was set up for the reporting period from April to March month. Replace it with your end month number by clicking on the bar, typing in your number, and press enter. Once you are done, click on the last line under the applied steps. To exit the query view and load the data, go to the top left corner and click Close and Apply. The BI file will start loading your data, so give it some time. And there you have it, a fully functional product dashboard, customized with your data, ready to provide deep insights and help you make informed decisions. Everything is already set up. If you noticed, the company names have changed. This is because I updated the company table in the Excel file before loading the data. Let me show you the Excel file. I added the word new to them. As you can see, the BI dashboard automatically refreshes to show the new company names. Going forward, you just need to update the orders data worksheet and click the refresh button at the top to update the dashboard. I hope you like this product dashboard template for your work or learning. For those looking for dashboards to track staff attrition or sales opportunity, check out my earlier videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.